All right, got a quick tip for you here on these probably 2010 through 2012-ish Subaru Impreza, Outback, Forester, and other models. Experiencing a no heater blower fan, as in no cold air or hot air blowing out of the car. Maybe an intermittent problem with that. But got a quick tip for you here. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. All right, this one here was a 2012 Outback. Customer complained of no blower motor. So basically no fan blowing, either hot or cold air. And first thing you want to look for is fuse 26 and 27 under the dash here. Check those for an open circuit. Then under the right kick panel, you got the blower down here, blower relay. All that looked good. The blower fan switch is part of the HVAC control head. Basically, here's the HVAC control head. It's accessed by removing this trim fascia around the radio and whatnot. It just snaps over. You start at the top here and just reach in the vent, pop these two upper corners, then pop the middle, pop the bottom, remove that fascia plate, and then the two screws and little snaps that hold the HVAC controller in, and two wiring connectors. And basically that has revealed the issue with the switch, which is overheated and melted. I actually think that the wiring's savable. There's a little obvious heat that's kind of cooked out a little bit. I've tightened up the pins on that connector and I think it's going to be fine. And I've just got the whole new control head, which the heater fan switch is not serviced separately. I'm not aware of a fix on that, short of somebody coming up with kind of a Ruth Goldberg solution on this deal, which would just require some aftermarket fan dangling. But one thing to note is there is a possibility of the heater blower drawing excessive amperage and causing this. However, the amperage load of just a normally functioning blower over time is enough to cook this switch. And when the switch starts going, it's going to draw excessive amperage across that circuit. So it's I think a $200-300 part. So that's the unfortunate issue with that. But again, I only suggest using OE parts if you're going to throw a blower in it or a blower resistor. But check those fuses first, and if you don't have grounds through to the blower motor, then that's going to be heading in the direction of the switch. Hopefully this video was helpful. I appreciate you watching. Good luck with your Subaru blower repair.